Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to say you about three big mistakes that each and every one of us do while we give interview. First and foremost thing, do not fumble a lot. Second, be genuine as much as you can. Third, uh, explain what is in your mind. If it's half, it's full, whatever. Okay, so let me deep dive in all these things very clearly. So yeah, first thing is, uh, do not fumble. From my interview experience, I would say you that for first 4 5 interviews I was so much panicked. I was fumbling a lot, and I was so much like, what will the interviewer ask, will I know what they are asking or not, and so many things like that. And I was thinking a lot. I was not present in interview, rather than I was present in like, what will happen if I don't answer, what will happen, like it happens. It is very natural. So I would suggest you, do not fumble, do not make mistakes. Means it's okay to make mistakes, but you will learn from your mistakes, so you can avoid this by giving your mock interview. Second thing, if you want to go to mock interview, means if you want someone to take mock interview and you don't have anyone, you can feel free to reach me out. Okay, now second thing which I would say, uh, do not fake yourself. Like for example, if interviewer asking you, do you know about transformer, if you have not studied about transformer, genuinely say no, respectfully, like, yeah, I don't know about transformer, but if there is a requirement of studying or knowing the transformer, I will be happy to learn about it and implement or work on it accordingly. Do not say no directly. Okay, now this is the second big mistake. The third big mistake is uh, transformer this, and yeah, fumbling. Yeah, and be genuine. Like whatever you do, just say that. Like for example, if an interviewer asked you, do you know about transformer, you said yes. So if interviewer asked me, okay, draw and give me architecture of T5 transformer, so you can say like, I have used T5 transformer in my project, but I really don't know about the architecture of T5 transformer as whole. But yes, I can give you a basic architecture of a T5 transformer. If you allow me, I would happy to draw and show it to you. So these are the three big mistakes which I have covered. There are some more other mistakes. If you want me to cover, please let me know in the comment. And yes, feel free to reach me out for taking your mock interview. Thank you.